Hello guys, in this video, we're going to see how to reduce a PDF file size without installing any software. Let's get started. Let's assume you want to reduce this PDF file size. First, right-click on the PDF file and select Properties. See, initially the file size is 11.5 megabytes. Now click OK. In the next step, open your Chrome browser. Type Adobe PDF Compressor in the search field. Press Enter key. Select this first link from the search result. This is the Adobe Acrobat's official web page. Drag and drop the file here, which you need to compress. Now, the PDF file is processing for compression. Here you can choose your desired compression level. If you need the smallest file possible, select High Compression Level. You can select medium or low compression if you want to reduce the file size but maintain a higher file quality. Here, I chosen High Compression Level. Click Compress button. Now, the compression starts. See, the PDF file size is reduced from 11.53 megabytes to 3.01 megabytes. Here, click the Download button. Now, your compressed PDF file is downloaded. Let's check the file size again. Right-click on the PDF file and select Properties. See, it's amazing. With just one click, your PDF file size is reduced without installing any software. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.